Dutch Brothers just reported their Q1 2025 earnings. Revenue came in at $355 million, a 29% increase year over year. They also opened 30 new shops in Q1, bringing their total to 1,012 locations across 17 states. And they're not slowing down. Dutch Brothers plans to open 160 new locations by the end of 2025. So what does all this mean for investors? Let's talk about it. Dutch Brothers is scaling fast, and so far, they're doing it with strong unit economics. I bought Dutch Brothers back in 2023 when it was trading below its IPO price, average cost basis around $25 per share. From August through October, I slowly built my position and then just held. The stock had a strong quarter, and now I'm sitting on gains over 130%. I haven't added since, but if it drops deeply again, I'll be ready to buy more. For now, it's a hold. Today, I also bought more Google. With all the negative sentiment lately, it felt like a good opportunity. This is a company I plan to hold for years, no matter the noise. That's my quick update. Just staying focused, patient, and building my portfolio over time. Let me know what you're buying in the comments. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more real-world investing insights.